This is the Sensational Nail Polish Remover. This will remove regular nail polish as well as gel nail polish too. Perfect. And it also comes in this large bottle, which measures 8 fluid ounces. And as you can see, my nails look atrocious and it's time to take it off and put some new nail polish on. So this is how easy it is to use. You just put it on some cotton balls, and then I like to push it onto the nail for a little bit, and then I like to rub. And there you go. So it seems when you put it on the nail for a little bit and then start rubbing, it comes off easier. And that is how simple it is to use. Definitely recommend it. Really comes in handy when you're in a rush and you want them to come off quickly so you can redo your nails. Perfect. And then you can always do another one with a new cotton ball. Simple as that. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.